Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change who can see my read receipt to my contacts on Imo HD. So let's get started. Firstly, open Imo HD app in your device, then tap on your profile icon. Next tap on security and privacy, then scroll until you find read receipts, then tap on it. After that, you can see the option of my contacts. Tap on it. So this is how you can change who can see my read receipt to my contacts on Imo HD. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials and this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.